In your YouTube channel settings, if your upload defaults page looks like this, meaning it's blank, change it so it looks like this. That way, when you're uploading videos, you get a default description and tags, so you don't have to keep typing them over and over again. How do you get your tags? You should use the YouTube search suggestions like what you see behind me. That is my Google Sheet that lists all the common YouTube tags that I use in every single video for this tip series, as well as tags that are common for the channel, and then specific tags unique for each video. Those are the three classes of tags that you should be using for all of your videos. For the description, make sure you start it with something unique and specific to your video, and then follow it by links to your sites. I index all the music used in every video. See, those are the time codes. You can click them to jump to that track in each video of mine. I also include links to all of our projects at Freedom, as well as the different places you can go to visit our community, our Discord chat server, our forums, and all of the music libraries that we offer in addition to the Music Factory. Create a Google Sheet. Do exactly what I do here. Put the common tags into your upload defaults, and then create specific tags that are unique to the videos, each one that you are uploading, using the YouTube search suggestions feature. Click that eye to see how to use the YouTube search suggestions feature to get those tags. Do not use third-party websites. What they do is they crawl other YouTube channels and videos to give you search suggestions for tags, which are likely not relevant to your videos as much as the YouTube search box can be. How do you create your description and tags? Tell me down there in the comments below so we can all learn from each other's best practices and, say it with me, grow together as a family, because that is the spirit of freedom. We all help each other grow together as a family, the Freedom Family. So keep sending us your best suggestions down there in the comments below, and keep reading the comments to get the great suggestions from all of you. I saw some great comments and questions from you, Freedom Family, which I will read now. ZeldaFan1234 said, George, I have a question. I heard you saying that you pay all the PayPal fees, which is true, unless you enable advance payment. What's advance payment to get paid 30 days earlier? Click that I to find out. But does that include the conversion currency rates? Just wondering, for example, if you pay in USD and I wanted to receive in Canadian dollars. So the answer, ZeldaFan1234, is we always send payments in USD, so your PayPal will receive a USD balance. If you choose to convert to a different currency from there, it will be at PayPal's standard currency conversion rates. Good question, and hope this helps. Get the Impulse Show back, said IWHD, to which ZeldaFan1234 also wrote a very detailed and correct answer. The gist of everything here is that the Impulse Show was not generating the views we were hoping it would get, and we felt it wasn't worth the money we were paying to have it produced. I would love to bring the Impulse Show back, or a show like Impulse, if we can do it on a more appropriate budget. Tell me down there in the comments below if you remember the Impulse Show and what you think of its quality, and if we should bring it back. Master Adit wrote, I don't even upload videos monthly because of school, when I was suggesting you should upload videos daily. The 360-degree set is great. I would love to be in the beta testers team if there is a beta team. That is regarding the 360-degree video that we are building into the 3D sets. What are 3D sets? Click that eye to get your 3D set. They're free for the Freedom Family. And actually, that eye has a link to download the 3D set for everybody, not just the Freedom Family. And we are building a lot more 3D sets that will be given only to the Freedom Family in your Shiny Freedom dashboard, so don't worry, there will be some exclusive sets for you, the Freedom Partners. To answer your question, Master Adit, yes, there will be a beta team for the 360-degree sets, and we will let you know how you can apply when they're ready. Mark Hyder wrote, Hi George, I think everyone should know about the upload defaults and what to put there in the upload defaults. That's exactly what this video is. What other tips should we cover to help you grow? Tell me down there in the comments below. I read every single comment, so you can be sure it will be read by me if you write it. Last time we featured Vario's comment about what freedom can do to actually help you grow, because he does everything and isn't growing. STG Games also wrote a great comment talking about how frustrating it is for him to be putting so much effort and not seeing much increase at all. But he also wrote what he learned and how he solved the problem and how he's motivated himself to keep going. I will let you read this comment, just pause the video. And the summary is, just be yourself. Do you agree with STG Games, or do you have another opinion? Tell us down there in the comments below. This video is part of my new YouTube tip series, episode 8. To see all the episodes, click that I in case you missed any. My goal is to create one video for every single feature on YouTube that helps you grow. And if YouTube changes the feature, I'll make an updated video so you stay current. Now let's talk about some of the ways Freedom does help you grow. Get custom music to spice up your videos from our music factory that is 100% safe to use for the Freedom family, even if you leave Freedom. All the music used in The George Show comes from our music factory. I index every single track down there in the description below with download links so you can get that music very quickly. Click that I to learn more about the Music Factory. The download link to all the Music Factory tracks is down there in the description below. And use the Video Factory to get awesome transitions that will spice up your videos. The download link to the Video Factory is also down there in the description below. It is equally 100% safe and free to use for the Freedom family, even if you leave Freedom. Click that I to learn more about the Video Factory if you're curious. There is so much more we want to do with these 3D sets to make them better for you, Freedom family. Tell us down there in the comments below what specifically you would like to see in these 3D sets now that we have a generally available version 1 for everyone in Freedom. And this applies to anyone who's applied to join Freedom but hasn't been accepted yet. You are also welcome to get these 3D sets and use them in your videos and live streams. Tell us how you are using these 3D sets down there in the comments below so we can all learn from each other and grow together as a family, because, say it with me, that is the spirit of Freedom. We all help each other grow together as a family, the Freedom family. And who am I? I am Papa George, George Sama, George Sunpai, and many other names you, the beautiful Freedom family, has given me. I am George, CEO and founder of Freedom for Freedom and the Freedom family. And I can't wait to see all the creative ways you are going to use these 3D sets in your videos and live streams. I am George, and you've been watching. Click that I to partner with Freedom and join the Freedom family so we can all grow together. You get many perks like position music. You also get Epidemic Sound, a lot of other access to royalty-free videos, sponsorships, and many things to help you grow. Just click the links down there in the description below to get involved in our community, our forums, our Discord chat servers, meet our graphics team, meet our community team, all of that on Discord and the forums. What are you waiting for? Get started. And we will grow together as a family, because this is the Freedom family. You are part of it, we are all part of it, and we're all growing together. To get more George, click that big F. That will subscribe you to Freedom Central, home of The George Show. And PewDiePie gave one of you, Freedom family, a big shout out. Click that video to see the shout out and to see our new 3D sets for you. And click that video to see what YouTube recommends you watch next.
ਹੈਲੋ ਫਰੈਂਡ, ਮੈਂ ਹਾਂ ਮਿਡਲ ਕਲਾਸ ਜਨਤਾ ਵਾਲਾ। ਅਗਰ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਦੀ ਇਨਕੁਆਇਰੀ ਜਾਂ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਅਪਲੋਡ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਈਮੇਲ ਐਡਰੈਸ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਸੈਂਡ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਜਾਵੇ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣਾ ਉੱਥੇ ਮੋਬਾਈਲ ਨੰਬਰ WhatsApp ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸੈਂਡ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵਾ